I am living the dream, man. Loving life. Just walked out of work with a nice bonus for the holiday season. Got to eat a bunch of good food. It was awesome. It was a good day. Now I'm ready to do some screaming at random people because I'm going to probably roll my window down and yell some stuff. Download sessions! Yeah, me too. It's good. I just want to yell some things, and I hope people are creative. I'm pretty excited to yell. I like yelling. People could come up with some funny stuff. It's a good time. Holy shit! I gotta roll my window down because people need to hear this. Windows down, see? Windows down. Alright. Windows down. People need to hear this. Come on. Give me some knockout. Give me some curveballs. Things I shouldn't say. This is dumb. I love it. Alright. Who's got the next one? You flaming cum dumpster! I have no heart! The people are probably like, what the fuck? Free hugs! Oh my god! Star Wars! The looks are awesome. Oh, people give me dumb looks. It's this little old lady in a truck. This little beat up truck. She gave me the dirtiest look. You have failed this city! Oh my god! The coffee is hot! It's hot! Oh, people, I love it. Oh. Doing this with the window down was the best idea ever. Oh, shit. Oh. I gotta get some better ones than this, though. Come on, let's get creative. I do laugh. This is great. I'm gonna just... Oh. Share your heat with me! Yeah! Follow Ed, just in general. Follow Ed! Hey, follow him! Follow Ed! Oh, come on, who else has got a good one? Anybody? Anybody want to hear something good? Oh, I'm pulling up next to this old Buick. Oh, Mitch. That's awesome. I'm sitting in traffic now. Let's hope these people... Come on, it's a good one. A good one. No, the coffee! It fell in the privates! Ah! Hey! Your Lincoln turn signal's fluid! Hey! Hey! It is Scream O'Clock. Come on. Scream O'Clock is an awesome time. Woo! Yo. I know in my heartline bling. Hey. Oh yeah, this is good. I'm gonna mess around with it. Someone said put it on YouTube. I might I might do that. I'll see if there, because I think when you get done with the broadcast, you have the option to download it. I might try that, just to fuck around with it. But I don't know how, I'll fuck around with it. It'll be good. That, or you just have to watch when I do this, or, you know, within a day of... God, my throat hurts. Oh. I'll try to download it and then upload it to like a new YouTube channel or something. I have another YouTube channel, but that one's kind of defunct. It's peanut butter jelly time! Woo! Oh, people can hear me even though their windows are rolled up. Oh my god, this is so stupid. Kind of story of my life, just doing stupid things. Just doing stupid things as much as possible. Because this is the most pointless thing I could do my drive home from work, but it's fun. Who cares? Screw everybody. Come on, what else we got? My car has an erection! Oh, I got that guy's attention. Whoa! Oh, that guy gave me the dirtiest look. Holy shit. That was a good one, the erection and the car one. That was awesome. Genius! I know, someone said, I don't know. Yeah, I know, right? What the fuck's wrong with that guy? He's driving an HHR, yelling at random people that his car has an erection. Oh, that was good. Oh, I love yelling. This is gonna be great in the summer when everybody has their windows rolled down. Oh, let's do some more. Come on. What do we got? What do you got? What do you got? Let's do some more. This is good. This is entertaining. It's making me laugh. It's been a good drive home so far. What else you got? Come on, come on. Woo! Some good Ric Flairs. That's all I got. That's all I can come up with on my own, so I need some direction. My car has an STD! Oh, people in the parking lot heard me. People in the parking lot to the hardware store heard me. It's probably a good time to get those yells in because I'm right next to a parking lot and I'm at a really long red light. Caught a panda with cheese! People are gonna think I have Tourette's. Oh. Look at that ass! The looks are so good. I love Bruce Jenner! Seriously, when I said look at that ass, some guy was like, oh, you should have seen that. I hope he didn't think I was calling him an ass, but I don't fucking care. Oh man, there's like a clusterfuck of stupidity right there. Oh, this is good. This is some fun stuff. I'm gonna mess around with trying to put this on YouTube though. Kind of the funnest part about this is it's not gonna be out there for other people to see. It's only for you guys. Whoever's tuning in to enjoy the show as is. This is like a one-time thing, but I'm gonna mess with it because I'm gonna do another, start another periscope for the Drunk Letters show that I'm on. So, like I said, but I should play with the YouTube thing around this way. Okay. I'm just in traffic, so there's people here. I have erectile dysfunction! Woo! Throat's getting a little raw. But that's what she said, so, you know, I don't think we have any excuses. I was playing a game today at work during our yearly potluck. One of the guys I work with, you teamed up with someone to play a game, and they said, you want to guess or do you want to give clues? And he's like, don't worry, I take it both. I take it both ways. And everybody laughed. Oh, what was the last one? I was telling a story and I wasn't paying attention. I'm at a stoplight right now and there's people with windows down, so if you want to get a good yell out, now's the time. Is it jelly donut or something? Give to me all of your chickens! Oh, yep, people can hear me, that's for sure. I'm getting looks. I'm getting lots of looks right now. Ooh, dirty looks. Dirty looks for the yelling. Oh, that's an old lady and upset husband right now. I want all your sheep! Oh, they keep looking. Something happened to my car! Something happened! Is that Sam Squanch? I will wrap all of your children! I'll do it! Oh man, the looks I get are the fucking greatest in the world. Most of it is utter confusion. Merry Christmas and the fuck over me New Year! You fool! You fool! You were probably just calling me a fool, but whatever, I don't give a shit. I really don't care at all. It's the best way to spend my time. I drive home for 15 minutes and this is what I get to do. This is Sparta! Oh, that one hurt. I might do sing o'clock tomorrow. Yeah, scream o'clock is hurting too much. Yell o'clock hurts my... Sing o'clock is not so bad. It hurts my pride because I'm a terrible singer. But it doesn't hurt my throat. Yeah, sometimes she does. Yeah. She'll watch. Sometimes I have Hazel on here. She likes it. She thinks it's hilarious. I don't do the yell o'clock stuff normally, but... This is just fun, man. Hey, hearts! Oh my god! I gotta pee! Hurry! It's coming out! Oh, I gotta poop! Bloody Mary! Oh, I gotta poop! Gotta poop! Gotta poop! I love it. I like these little guys right here. I know they come out on this side. When I film it, I see them on this side, but really they're on this side, so they go... Makes me happy. It makes me happy. I like the I gotta poop one. Whoever came up with the I gotta poop, gotta pee, you might be getting something in the mail, because I like to give out prizes to the best ones. Oh Lord, help this man! Oh, I'm driving by a bar right now. I like to give out prizes and mail shit to random people. I do. So, if you do want me to mail you some random shit, well, there's people walking down the street. If you do, click the link. I used to scream out the window. Good. If you do want free shit or like a funny thing in the mail from me, I'm Jared from Subway! Anyway, go to my bio, click the link. That'll take you to my Facebook page that I run. Just shoot me a message. If you, especially whoever sent me the pooping and peeing one, that was good. Because I got a couple good looks. And then my car has an STD, that was a good one. Because that one got someone's attention. They see it, that was good. Yeah. I have tiny balls! I have them! Alright, I'm done with this for now. I just about hit a car because I wasn't paying attention. Welcome. Chitty chitty bang bang! Alright, I'm gonna go in my house now. Subscribe, because I do this all the time. It's fun. And, click on my link if click on the link and shoot me a message on my Facebook page. It's fun. Subscribe for more. I love you guys.